Honorable Chairman, I rise today to extend heartiest felicitation on my own behalf and on behalf of all the opposition members on your assuming the august office of Chairman Rajya Sabha. While I had already congratulated you on election as Vice President of India, I again take this opportunity to reiterate the same on the floor of the House. At the threshold, I wish to re-emphasize the critical importance of the office of the Chairman, Rajya Sabha, which the Constituent Assembly had intended. Chairman, sir, on your rest the heavy responsibility, smooth conduct of the proceedings of the August Council of States, which goes a long way in maintaining the dignity and pivotal relevance of the House. In this context, I consider it apt to quote the following sage words of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, which in a different way our Deputy Chairman has spoken, but this is a relevant portion I am reading from Radhakrishnan's speech. So the first Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha, during his acceptance speech on 16th May 1952, I belong to no party. Why I am saying? Because many people claimed that you belong to their party. So I belong to no party, and that means I belong to every party in this House. Yes. It shall be my endeavor to uphold the traditions, the highest traditions of the parliamentary democracy, and act towards every party with fairness and impartiality, with ill will to none and goodwill to all. A democracy is likely to degenerate into a tyranny if it does not allow the opposition groups to criticize fairly, freely, and frankly the policies of the government. This is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's speech. So I am quoting this, and this is the occasion to remind all of us in these circumstances. Sir, the valuable observations were made by Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan way back in 1952 are still very relevant and pertinent. Sir, incidentally, you have not only assumed the same office of Dr. Radhakrishnan, but also share his name, Radhakrishnan जी. तो आप तो राधाकृष्णन जी के हमनाम हैं. हम आशा करते हैं कि आप उनके हमख्याल भी होंगे. So, Chairman, sir, I wish to draw your kind attention to an interesting fact, which is that Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, मैं और एक बार पढ़ता हूँ कि Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, your uncle has been a member of Indian National Congress and elected to Lok Sabha thrice from Coimbatore, which had been your parliamentary constituency now. Honorable Chairman, Indian National Congress staunchly stands by constitutional values and time-honored parliamentary traditions and structured debates and smooth conduct of proceedings of the House. Hence, sir, kindly be assured of our cooperation with you in the conduct of the proceedings of the House. fair and impartial conduct of the proceedings of the House and providing just opportunity to members of each party, irrespective of the fact whether they belong to the opposition or treasury benches. Needless to state, is essential for the credibility of the august office. Sir, in this context of time-honored parliamentary traditions, I hope you will not mind that I am constrained to refer to your predecessor's completely unexpected and sudden exit from the office of the chairman Rajya Sabha, which is unprecedented in the annals of parliamentary history. Chairman Rajya Sabha, being custodian of the entire house, belongs as much to the opposition as to the government. I was disheartened that the House did not get.
Please, आप बैठे please, आप बैठ. Sir, I will look into it. I will look into it. I will look into it. Please, आप बैठिए.
Chairman,
आप बैठिए.
Rajya Sabha,
I look into it. Please,
the
आप
entire
बैठिए.
House belongs as much to the opposition as to the government.
Please,
I was
आप बैठिए. I look into it.
I was disheartened
Please,
that the
आप बैठिए.
House did not get an opportunity to bid him a farewell. Regardless, I wish him, on behalf of the entire opposition, a very healthy life. It is our fond hope, rather we are confident that you will take care of the entire sections of the House. Sir, we are confident that you will be impartial and treat the opposition and the treasury benches in equal measures. Sir, मैं लास्ट में ये कहूंगा, सभापति जी, अपनी बात पूरी करने से पहले मैं आपसे अपील करना चाहूंगा कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, उसमें खतरा है। कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, लेकिन उसमें आप इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो ये भी खतरा है।
बैठिए भैया.
आप उधर देखेंगे
आप
तो
बैठिए.
खतरा है ज्यादा, अगर इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो वो भी खतरा है। तो इसलिए दोनों तरफ आप संतुलन बना रखेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। इसीलिए मैं आपके सफल कार्यकाल की कामना करता हूं। आप जिस बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं, जिसका जिक्र प्रधानमंत्री जी ने यहाँ पर किया, ठीक है, हम मानते हैं, लेकिन आप ये भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि ये कांग्रेस के घराने से आप आए हैं। और दूसरा कि प्रधानमंत्री बाहर बहुत जोरदार तकरीर करके आए और अपना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे और हमारे ऊपर भी बहुत इनडायरेक्टली हमला किए, लेकिन उसका जवाब तो हम मुंहतोड़ यहाँ पर देंगे फिर उसके बाद में जो कुछ था। इसीलिए आपकी शुभकामना मैं देता हूँ। आप सबको धन्यवाद।
किरण रिजिजू जी,
It is a very solemn occasion, and Honorable Leader of Opposition has made his customary remarks to felicitate the Honorable Chairman. Honorable Prime Minister has made very dignified remarks as part of the felicitation event. What I want to make a very specific point is why Honorable Leader of Opposition should refer to a case which was not necessary to be raised at this moment. Number one. Now, अगर मैं एक तर्क देना चाहता हूं, आप सुन लीजिए, एक ही तर्क मैं दूंगा। खड़गे जी, आपका लोकसभा में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, आप और आपका चीफ व्हिप जयराम रमेश जी, आप लोगों ने जो हरकतें की है, मैं इस सदन में जिक्र करना नहीं चाहता हूं। एक लोकतंत्र में हम एक दूसरे के प्रति सम्मान देना चाहिए।
आप बैठे जी, आप बैठे।
ये तो एलओपी साहब अगर वो विषय से नहीं भटकते तो मुझे कहने का आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ता। सर, ये जो उन्होंने जो मैटर रेफर किया है, ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। मैं सदन पर सिर्फ इतने याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने भूतपूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति को, भूतपूर्व चेयरमैन को जिस भाषा का इस्तेमाल करके आप लोगों ने जो अपमान किया, आप क्या वो भूल गए? आप लोगों ने भूतपूर्व चेयरमैन के बारे में जो अनाप शनाप बात करके आप लोगों ने रिमूवल मोशन जो सर्व किया है, और जो भाषा, वो कॉपी अभी भी हमारे पास है। कांग्रेस पार्टी और आप लोगों ने फॉर्मर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ जो भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया, जो आप लोगों ने रिमूवल नोटिस में जो शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया, आप लोग खुद सोचिए कि चेयर का गरिमा को आप लोगों ने कितना तार-तार किया है, और आज आप यहाँ ध्यान देने का काम करते हैं। Sorry sir, this is a solemn occasion. My appeal is, please don't refer to anything which is not necessary on this solemn occasion.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.